Hello, kids! Welcome to today's fun quiz. Are you ready to play and learn with me? Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Tiger, lion, fox. Lion. Which animal lives in water? Fish. Dog. Giraffe. Fish. Which one is sweet to eat? Lemon. Cake. Onion. Cake. Which vehicle goes in water? Airplane. Car. Boat. Boat. What do we see in the night sky? Moon. Sun. Rainbow. Moon. Which one is an insect? Butterfly. Snake. Rabbit. Butterfly. What do bees make? Milk. Juice. Honey. Honey. Which one is a vegetable? Apple. Carrot. Mango. Carrot. Which vehicle has 4 wheels? Bicycle. Car. Truck. Car. Which animal says meow? Dog. Cat. Elephant. Cat. Great job, kids! You are super smart. Keep learning with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe for the next quiz.